let me ask you one quick question. Do you want to improve your confidence and fluency in English? So if you want to improve, then in this video I'm going to show you one experiment that I recently finished and which has helped me to practice English and improve faster and gain fluency and confidence faster in a easy way. So if you want to improve your fluency and confidence, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do. So let's start this video. The experiment was so simple. I challenged myself. I forced myself to record myself speaking in English about my days, about my goals, and anything I was interested in. I recorded myself for 30 days. And yeah, in the first week I was not confident and it felt awkward, and I made a lot of mistakes. I felt stuck, but I kept going. I kept recording myself in a place like this, there's no one who can see me. So I practice like this, bro. Don't care about making mistakes. Record yourself. It will feel in the beginning I felt awkward and difficult to speak in front of camera, but now I can speak. So take your mobile phone, grab your mobile phone and start to record yourself. Talk about your day, talk about your dream, and whatever you wanna talk about. Just speak in front of your camera. So here are the some things that I improved while finishing this. Here are the some things that I improved after doing this experiment. So number one thing is I removed the fear of making mistakes. Yeah, I was secure about what people will think if I make mistakes. I was constantly thinking about what people will think about me if they see my mistakes. So that is the number one thing that I improved. Now I don't care about making mistakes. I speak, I teach you what I learn. Yeah. So number two is I built fluency and confidence. Yeah, the most important thing that you want to improve. It has helped me improve my fluency and confidence. Now I can speak confidently in front of camera. By the way, I also make mistakes speaking in front of camera nowadays, but I'm gonna record more videos. I'm gonna teach you more, and this is how I will practice English. Yeah, those are the things that helped me improve. That helped me improve my fluency and confidence. So record yourself. This is the only thing that I want you to do for 30 days. This I promise, I guarantee you will improve your English. You will speak confidently after 30 days. So please, I request you to do this experiment for yourself. This will really help you. Yeah, finally, if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video or learned anything from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe and support me, guys. So if you made this so far, then thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and yeah, see you in the next amazing video. Until then, keep improving, keep learning. Bye bye.